My name is Colonel Tavatia, and I had a opportunity to serve in Kashmir for most part of my career in the military and in active operations at the peak of insurgency from 92 to 96. I have also done my masters in the staff college. My thesis happened to be international terrorism and role of media in countering that. Pahalgam attack has been a very dastardly attack by the Pakistani people or whoever has done it. We have not been able to pinpoint the responsibility, but all the needles point towards that. Asif Muni's statement 4-5 days ago. Then there is a statement by National Conference MP from Kashmir who made that the tourists are making disturbing the, I would say, demography of Kashmir. Such people should be taken to the task. That's one thing. Second thing is, we must understand as a nation, as a community, that those 30 people or 28 people, those who died in Pahalgam, were not the actual target of the terrorists. The actual target of terrorists are me, you, and everybody who's watching this thing on TV sets in our drawing rooms. Media should not have played the way it has played. Every single media 24/7 is talking about this attack as a breaking news. Any terrorist attack can never be a breaking news. It's a very bad news. It's a sad news. It should never be published on the front page of the newspaper. The media has the responsibility to inform the people about what's happening. This news could have gone on 7th page in a normal font. You still do your duty, but you do not play into the hands of the terrorist. That's one thing. Second thing, somebody on Facebook has posted that we should ask people in mainland name before buying vegetables, before buying any merchandise. So if he's a Muslim, we should not buy it from them, like they did in Pahalgam, asking as to whether they were Hindu or Muslim before killing them. That is exactly what the terrorists want. Do you want to play in the terrorist hand? We should do opposite. They wanted us to slow down the tourism. In fact, if we want to respond, we should have more tourists going to Kashmir now than ever. Our armed forces are strong enough to protect every single citizen who visits Kashmir. I can assure you this much. We have the plans, we have the resources, and we have the willpower. If we want to resolve this problem permanently, the ideal situation is to take over the POK, right? So this is the right time that we should respond, take over the POK, stop all the water going to Pakistan, and let them come to their knees and ensure that everything comes in the order. So this would be my suggestion to everybody. Do not play into the hands of the terrorists. Do not do the things which they wanted you to do as a result of this attack. Thank you very much.